The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in central Arkansas, southwestern Conway County in central Arkansas, northwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, central Yell County in central Arkansas, northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, south central Pope. P.
Yeah, it does.
P. E. County in central Arkansas until 1:15 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Fush Valley, or 13 miles south of Danville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perryville, Pottsville, Ola, Adona, Cardin Bottoms, Patty Jean State Park, Plainview in Yell County, Patty Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Gala Creek Wildlife Management Area, Casa, Applin, Berta, Antioch and Perry County, Ada, Nimrod, Paula Bend, Kingston, Rover, Sunlight Bay Park, Cherry Hill and Perry County.